Well, hello all. Brushwood or kindling is great for starting a fire, but as you can see, it's really messy. So I'd like to show you a system of imposing order on your brushwood. I suggest you get hold of some of this Brickforce. Get 2 lengths of it. So it comes with these little crossbars, and just cut off a length of it like that. Well, it's 2 bars, and then it wants to go and jump and become all unruly, this Brickforce. So we just bend it like that to stop it. So now we have 2 sections of Brickforce. I'm going to also cut this off. And what I suggest one does is also to cut here, just those little ends in the middle, the piece in the middle. So that's what's going to impose order on your, firewood. So now you place your firewood in the center here. As much as you think you'll need to light a single fire, and this is just a small brushwood. So how much do I think I need to light my fire? I think that would probably do it. So now the secret is to just put this inside the other, like that. Put a foot on it. And there's your brushwood. You can reuse it, and now you just place this straight into the fire. You can burn it with its metal and all, and then reuse your Brickforce, because it gets annealed every time it goes into the fire. So here we have a much more controllable, less messy bunch of kindling that we can place directly into our fire. Now it's super easy to place your bundle of kindling into the fireplace. Place a few logs on top. And light it up. So we take a small amount of firelighter and a little bit of tissue paper. Wrap the firelighter in the tissue paper. Light it and place it in the fire. Because the firewood has been organized at the start, it required no further intervention on my part. It just burnt all without any need to look after it. Burnt better, and it shows the advantage of bundling your brushwood kindling.